If you want to turn off Google Pixel 10 Pro without touching screen, you can for sure do this. First of all, you will have to click and hold the power key and the volume up button. Now, when you got this power off menu, you will have to keep holding all the time until the screen completely turns off. So just wait for it, be patient, it will take a few seconds. Now click and hold volume down button and hold it for around 10 seconds. After that, we will enter for the fast boot mode. So just keep holding and be patient. If it is not working, you will have to repeat the whole process, because the volume down button we have to hold immediately after the screen turns off, just like this. Now as you can see, we are in the fast boot mode, so we have to scroll with the volume up button until we select power off, or if you click on this power button right now and the phone doesn't turn off, you will have to go for it one more time, and instead of the power mode, select recovery mode, click on the power key. Now just wait for it. Wait for the Google logo. Now we got no comment screen. We have to click and hold power key, click on the volume up button. Now scroll all the way down and select power off. And now the phone turns off and we don't even have to touch the screen. So it's especially useful when your screen is broken or it's not fully functional.